appreciated for all the things she does with some sort of token of love. Cause without it, her young heart will know, heart will know. And right into my surprise, pulled out a small, put a box, pink ribbon tie. I'm wondering what's inside. He opened it and then he replied. He said, I promise not to hurt you, promise not to lie. I promise to befriend you and defend you if I lie. I promise you forever, I promise you today. He said, would you wear my promise ring? I said, break your promise, we breaking up. Got a couple things that I want, falls in a bad little sweet thing. Yes, I can promise you, I could be pretty ugly. You could become my king. Gotta have you by me. Yes, I can promise you. Yes, I can promise, promise, promise. Yes, I can promise. Yes, I can promise you. Yes, I can promise, promise, promise. Yes, I can promise. Yes, I can promise you. How in the world could a girl say no? He knew it the moment he made my finger glow. And now I'm wholly toast. And now it shows. Now it shows. You know when you see me flow. No way it's gonna get lost. I'll never take this off.